So I found this lamp on Thingiverse and I've reduced it down to 30%, but I think it might be still too big, so I'll do this and then I'll probably print one a bit smaller than this, see how that works. %, done, guys. It's a little bit big for what I wanted, but I'm gonna have to just accept that. Coming up to 50%, guys. This is the top of the lamp, as far as I remember. I'm not making the whole lamp, by the way, guys. I'm just making the main thing, really. %, done, guys. Doesn't look that big and doesn't look that bad either. I'm liking that. 90%. So there it is, guys. It's made. It's really hot, I think. Oh wait. Let it cool down a bit before I lift it up. But that's it there. That's the top of the lamppost. Of the lamp. About 50% done, guys. Okay, guys, basically it came off the bed and it's still supposed to print a bit more, but this is where it's at. So I'm going to leave it there because it's very flimsy indeed and I can't do anything with that now. I suppose because I dropped it down to 30%, this would have been thicker otherwise, so that's probably why it's kind of dropped off. But this is what it will look like there, like that. So that will be my lamppost. I think I'm happy with that, to be honest with you. You can see it. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Might have to strengthen a few things there. Not sure how to do that. We'll do something. So guys, I'm going to make a little spacer for my lamp to go on. Okay guys, so that's the Lamppost engine there. It works good on air, but I'm not happy with it. I've made a boo-boo there. I don't know if anybody spotted it, but the flywheel here, this part here, is small, and so it takes the same amount of spin to spin this. So I'm not happy with that. What I will do in the future is I will take this flywheel off here, make another one of brass, so that then I put something around there. Put the rubber band around there or something like that, and then that will work better, because as this moves one turn, this will move many turns, and that might make it work better, to be honest with you. Alright then, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment if you like. Thank you very much.